How to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on iPhone. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts on your iPhone permanently. So, if you're tired of seeing shorts on your feed and want to focus on the regular YouTube videos, stick around, so let's get into it. Alright, first things first, let's open up the YouTube app on your iPhone. Now, once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring up your account settings. Scroll down and tap on settings. Now simply click on general. Here you'll see a few options, but what we're looking for is the short settings. Now by default, YouTube doesn't give you a simple toggle to completely disable shorts, but here's the hack. If you want to stop seeing the YouTube shorts, the best thing is to turn off notification and adjust your feed preferences. Simply turn off the shorts notifications and over here. You can find it under appearance. Now if you cannot find it, it means you need to update your YouTube app. Simply do that. After that, what we can also do is, if you want to stop seeing YouTube shorts in the feed, simply tap on three dots and click on show fewer shorts. And that's it. While you can't completely disable YouTube shorts with a single toggle, these methods will help you reduce or completely avoid them on your iPhone.